Hello everyone. Let's discuss about the Grok Bot. So this is like very new release by Cursor. So let's explore it together. So first of all, what they are saying is that Grok Bot has its own computer, but that's on their own cloud. Also, what they are saying that it's like you can send message like your employee. So for example, in OpenClaw and Hermes you can see the same thing. So basically it is doing kind of same. Also, what it can do, this is something very interesting to me, is that it coordinate independently with other bots. So basically multiple bots share one user's computer and they can run in parallel and they can message each other. That is really cool thing actually. Okay. Also it can learn your workflow. So for example, you can say ask bot to follow along, and that is also a very good thing. Also we can do like handoff also. So for example, they have given an example where they say, hey, pull this week's strategic prospect PG list from Salesforce, keep anyone already in a sequence, research the top 5 accounts across the web, Slack, Databricks and Stumble. So you can see this sounds very like interesting, so if you look at they have given some UI, probably we will also look into that, but basically you can see they have like a mobile app also. Okay, you can see here they have their own computer, and they also showed like how you can show the bot how things are done. So yeah, pretty cool. Like they have their own mobile also. Okay, so let's do that. I have installed the Grok Bot, and let's discuss. So for example, I create a new bot and say create a new bot, and I can just name it as like forget it, we don't need, I think. So we can say like a social bot. Okay, and what it does, we can say, hey, hi, I need you to search best friends on X. So let's see what it does. Okay, so now it's saying that okay, I'm just trying to pull what is trending on X right now. So this also, I think, kind of using skills for specific task actually. Yeah, also what is it, it's like routine means same as what other apps have, right? Like ChatGPT or Claude, where you can say that, hey, every weekday 8 a.m. do this for me. So it is something same here. So yeah, let's see what this guy is doing. Okay, so US as of 9 p.m. what is actually moving right now? Okay, let's do it. So here are the plugins, and basically you can connect whatever you want to add. Like they have thousands of plugins available, so I connected a few like Gmail and X and few, but you can use according to your situation. So basically what will happen that the computer will use these connections to create setup. So yeah. So you can see here, right? So basically we created this social media um, agent. We can say that, hey, can you find trending topics for AI, and it will just look into onto the social media. Also, like one of the cool feature I have seen where agents can communicate with each other, and also basically it uses the computer. So for example, you can see it is just booting up the computer. And yeah, let's see. Okay, yeah, see, it's a brand new computer for the agent. So you can see, take a look. It has a terminal. It has Chrome. So yeah, see, it's pretty cool. Have you noticed that? It seems Linux operating system. Yeah, whatever. But this is something very cool actually. It's a GNU Linux where each agent has its own computer. So you can see it's doing its stuff, pulling extracts, cap in a minute. Okay, that's fine. Also, we can do one thing, right? So we can create new agent and say writing agent, and here in the writing agent, let's say you are your task is to write perfect article which humans like to read. You can say we are book based and easy to understand. Your writing should be so good that your writing should be so simple that anyone can learn it. Okay, so this is what it is. Testing. Okay. So let's explore a few more agents actually. So let's do this. Okay. I'll create the new and say create new bot and say hi. It does something. Okay. So you can do this, right? So for example, like here, title is like what your agent does. So for example, you can say social media content analysis, and description is something that you put that is for your custom prompt. So you can say that, hey, your task is to find trending topics on the social media regarding AI agents. Okay. So this is very like a simple thing. So so now you have so now let's write something. We can just say that hey, let's write on we can say let's write on how uh, tokenization works. Okay, let's see what happens. So let it do its work. Now, what we can do, create a new agent, and the new agent we will create that is more for like web development. So we can say that create new bot, and bot's name is web agent, and you are web developer, you are front-end developer. Okay, responsive websites. Okay, and that's it. This is what it's agent, and now let's see what this guy is doing. So it is just writing agent screen. Okay, so it has written this thing. Okay, so now we can do this. Okay, so your AI does not read words. Ask ChatGPT how many are in. Okay, whatever. So now we can say that hey, ask that can you check with writing agent, and whatever that agent produce, just create interactive page. Let's see what it does. Okay, let's see how it works. Also, one of the cool feature it has, like you can use your mobile app. So just like your regular employee, like OpenClaw and Hermes, you can just respond to these agents. So that is so cool, actually. Okay. So ask the writing agent for Grok Bot. What? Okay. Oh, okay. My bad. Actually, I should have been more precise. Actually, okay. So we can say that writing agent has created some content. Maybe yeah, I should have told that okay, it has created content, and it should have picked that actually. But you can see, right, like the communication is really easy. So I asked the writing agent that write something. So it wrote this about Grok 4.20, right? And now it says, hey, I got the page and I'm just building the page now. So yeah, I mean, this is really good tool, I would say, actually. Yeah.